Hey everyone, I'm Yue. Welcome to your 5-minute lower back burn. This is all about sculpting that lower back and also sculpting that waistline. So we're gonna drop it down to the ground here. We're 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off, so your work to rest ratio is 1-to-1. That means at 20 seconds, you better work hard. First up, get your belly flat to the ground. Your hands are behind you like prisoner style, and you're gonna keep your upper body up and down for 20 seconds. Just moving your upper body, lower body stays glued to the ground. Let's go. 20 seconds here. Mojo is right next to me for moral support. 3, 2, 1. Take it back into child's pose. Quick recovery. Next up, superhero iso hold. So back down to the ground, belly flat on the floor. All 4 limbs are up away from the ground, and you keep everything up for 20 seconds just holding. That's it. Let's get it now. Thank you for licking my back, Mojo. So selfless of you. Keep holding. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Take it back. Child's pose again. Third move, climbing up this ladder. You're gonna give me swimmers. Upper body, lower body moving at the same time. Just tiny little pulses. Channeling your inner Nemo. Swim, swim. Let's go. Try to lift your thighs off the ground as you swim. 5 seconds left. And rest. Back into child's pose again. Fourth move on this ladder, freestyle swim. Your legs are up. All they're doing is holding. Your arms swim forward and all the way back. Sorry, Mojo, I have to brush you away. Swimming away from you. Let's get it. 20 seconds here. Shh. 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 More than halfway there. Shh. Point your toes as you try to lift your thighs off the floor and recover. Okay, those are your 4 moves. We're gonna climb down that ladder, starting with freestyle, swimming. Swimming in the ocean, and just keep on swimming. Let's get it in 3, 2, 1. Full range of motion here from head to toe. Try to keep your neck aligned with your spine. Don't crank up your neck to try to see me. Just hearing me is enough. 5 seconds here. 2, 1. Take it back, child's pose. That's such a good one if you've been sitting all day. Back down to the floor. Swimmers. All your limbs are moving at once. Tiny pulses. 20 seconds swim. Move your limbs as fast as you can. Let's go. Again, pointing your toes. My palms are facing the floor. 5 seconds, squeeze your glutes. 3, 2, 1, take it back. Child's pose. Very nice. Superhero iso hold, just 2 more moves here. Again, you're holding all your limbs up away from the floor. Try to go a little bit higher this time. And breathing. And freeze. Hold it. Point your toes. Squeeze your glutes. Try to get your thighs off the mat. I'm getting like a little massage from my dog right here. 3, 2, 1. Take it back, child's pose. Last move on this ladder. just upper body crunches, back crunches. So prisoner hands, your feet are glued to the floor so they don't move, and it's just your upper body going up and down. Let's go, last 20 seconds. Last 5, 2, and 1. Take it back. Child's pose. You did it. That's your 5-minute lower back burn. This should feel really good after a day of sitting at your desk and hunching over. It's a great move to counteract all of that bad posture. Do this any time of the day just to refresh your body a little bit and come back for more 5-minute workouts.